Hello and welcome to our igus in-house exhibition here in Cologne. Today I'd like to present you our news for 2023 in our product range of spherical bearings. And I will start with a product line extension for our igubal FC, so food contact products, a double joint bearing. You can see you can have it with two different kinds of ball material. A dark one, FC 180, and a light blue one from Iglidor A181. And we have three different sizes for the beginning: 25, 50, and 75 millimeters. If you need any other dimension, please contact us, and we can make that possible very quickly. Another point is the stainless steel ball. You can have for every kind of igubal food contact products now. If you need a higher torque through the ball and you just need the angular movement of the ball in the housing, you can now choose the stainless steel ball as well. Our igubal FC parts are injection molded and therefore up to 7 times less expensive than stainless steel parts. And to make it a little bit easier for you to choose the materials or type of product, we now have a free sample box for you. You can order anytime. That's a German version. The English one will come in a few weeks, and you can order that at us for free. Thank you very much, and goodbye.